What is seasonal flooding? It refers to a periodic flooding that occurs at specific times of the year, often due to natural weather patterns or seasonal changes. This type of flooding can be predictable and may be caused by various factors such as heavy rainfall, snowmelt, monsoon seasons, or tidal flooding. Seasonal flooding is a recurring natural phenomenon that affects communities worldwide, causing damage to infrastructure, disrupting daily life, and posing significant risks to human safety and well-being. As the climate continues to change, understanding the causes and effects of seasonal flooding is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate its impact. Understanding seasonal flooding is essential for communities to prepare and respond effectively to flooding events. By recognizing the risks and taking proactive steps, communities can reduce the impact of seasonal flooding on their lives, livelihoods, and infrastructure.
Kayo kung bilang isa sa mga nasalanta, maaari mo bang i-share ang iyong naging experience?
Mahirap talaga ang mabaha kasi mag-impake ng maraming gamit. Kaya lahat maitaas para hindi masira yung mga gamit.
Ako naman po. Kapag nandyan po, baka ang baha, paano po kayo maghahanda para maging ligtas po kayo?
Ay doon na kami sa ligtas ng taas ng bubong. Doon sa bubong na kami.
Paano kayo nakakaluto din?
Iyakyat lahat yung paglutuan para makaluto kami ng pagkain. Yung mga dilata, noodles, yun lang ang madaling makain, maluto.
Ito na po ang huling tanong ko, Nay. Ano ang ginagawa ninyo upang makaligtas at makaraos habang may baha?
Siyempre nakasagana yung mga buwan namin. Kung bumaha, magbabangka na lang kami kung talagang umaakyat yung baha.
Gaano po ba kataas yung baha dito?
Mataas hanggang sa bubungan nung nakaraan.
Sige po, Nay. Thank you po.
Hindi po sa
Abala
abala namin, Nay.
Ganyan talaga.